Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. No idea what's in here. It was sent by Robert. Thank you so much, Robert. We're going to find out what it is together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If it is something that I can link, I will put a link for this right down in the description so you can check it out for yourself as per usual. That, using those links helps my channel. So if you're interested, please feel free, but that is entirely up to you. Is this one with bubbles or with insulation? Bubbles, good. Okay, we have that. And what do we have here? Yes. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Rob. I really appreciate that. Let's take a look at this. I hope I'm going to pronounce this correctly. I think I can link this. I think this is going to be down in the description. Oh my gosh. I always love these gigantic, oversized knives. I don't know if I can link this exact version, but I'll link whatever I can. This is the Cold Steel Talwar XL. Oh my gosh. Has the wave thing, so you can catch that on your pocket if you want to. What are we looking at here? CTS X HP. Nice condition. Yeah, so of course we're looking at the Cold Steel Triad Lock G10. Taiwan manufacturing. Probably a pretty good original price. Like I said, I don't know if this is still available or not. I'll link this and Cold Steel knives in general down below. If you're new to Cold Steel knives, this might look kind of crazy. Maybe you look at it and you're like, well, I love it, right? Maybe you're looking at it like, well, it's kind of like, you know, novelty huge. The nice thing about Cold Steel knives is that pretty much no matter what it is you're picking up, especially if it's equipped with the Triad Lock, it's for real. It's the real deal. They might be kind of crazy and above and beyond with the size, but these can actually be taken out and used, right? Not like the Mall Ninja crap that you see laid out. The guy's got basically a trailer that he just, you know, carts around to various mall outlets and sells junk, like ninja junk. No, these can actually be used and beaten on. They're very, very, very durable and using nice materials like CTSX HP. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is another just monster knife from Cold Steel. I mean, there's not other than the shape, there's not a lot of difference between this and some of the other stuff that I filmed, but I still, you know, I kind of just want to go through the Cold Steel catalog because they're just fun. Like, they're just, I don't want to lose that. That's the other pocket clip. Cold Steel knives are just ridiculous, right? They serve a very they play a very specific role in the knife world. I used to wave everything from Cold Steel off. I was like, no, it's just ridiculous. No, can't take it seriously. Now it's just fun. This guy's a little bit off-centered. I don't know how much I want to judge that because, number one, I'm pretty sure I could recenter it. Number two, this is somebody else's knife, right? I don't know how long they've been flipping it. Maybe it just needs an adjustment of the pivot. Who knows? All right, so just an unboxing and first impressions. This is not a review. You do have 1, 2, at least 3, right? Kind of hand and a half it if you want to, right? For some, whatever you're going to do, right? Boat paddle. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. But yeah, not a review. Just unboxing and first impressions. You guys will get a full comprehensive review of this knife 2 to 3 weeks down the road. So stay tuned for that, whether it is or is not available. And like I said, I will link it right down below so you guys can check it out. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Short and sweet. Don't think it needs to be anything more. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.